Okay, let's continue now with this chapter 13, which is on consolidated statement of profit or loss and OCI. So this topic will come out in your final exam. So topic on CSoPL and OCI only being covered in chapter 13, not like consolidated statement of financial position. You have to read chapter 10, 11 and 12. So I would like to highlight here in this introduction, okay, what happened as the group is considered as a single unit. Similar line items such as sales, cost of sales, expenses of the members of the group, meaning holding and subsidiary, they are combined. In a simple word, it is being added up. Okay, however, you have to remember that any intra-groups items must be eliminated. Like in these sentences, in other words, the income and expenses will not include intra-group transactions. So what happened here? Sales will consist of sales to parties outside the group, and expenses will be actual expenses incurred by the group. If there were intra-group sales at prices above cost price, then any unrealized profit of unsold goods should be eliminated from the group's profit. Okay, so this is how you prepare consolidated statement of profit or loss and OCI. Okay, let's take a look at this first example. This is the easiest example that you can try to understand when you want to start your understanding on this consolidated statement of P&L and OCI. So as you can see in this example, you will be given with statement of P&L for individual column, holding and subsidiary. So you will then required to prepare the consolidated statement of profit or loss. Okay, what happened here? Okay, in this question, it is assumed that there is no intra-group transaction. So what you will do, you will add directly. You will add 100 and let's say here we have sales. You will add sales here, sales of H, 120 million plus 100 million. So you will get 220 million. Can you see that? Can you see here up until net profit after tax? You will add directly from the information available in the question. But after you get this profit after tax, then you need to apportion. Remember, out of this subsidiary, total amount of subsidiary, sales, income and expenses, there is a portion belongs to NCI. So after you have prepared this statement of P&L until net profit after tax, you will now have to divide this 61,800,000 into how much is profit after tax attributable to shareholder of H and how much belongs to NCI. So how do you actually apportion? It is based on the percentage. So basically, do you remember how do we get the 61,800,000 here? So 61,800,000 is actually comes from H, holding, net profit of holding, and S. So what you will do now, you will take exactly the total amount, which is 34,200. So the total amount of net profit after tax of H is part of profit attributable to shareholder of H. However, for this portion, 27,600,000 of S, okay, profit after tax of S, you have to multiply with the percentage of controlling interest, okay, of this S belongs to H. Okay, so as you can see from this question, H acquired 75%. So when you calculate, out of this 61,800, okay, this is 61,800. So you will take S, net profit after tax of S, 27. Then you multiply by 75%. You will get 20,700,000. Then when you add up these two figures, you will get 54,900,000. Okay. So for this kind of question, okay, in the future when we prepare the answer, you will actually you need to calculate this NCI portion first, which is S, net profit after tax of S, which is 27,600,000. You need to times with percentage of controlling interest of this NCI, which is 25%. So you have to calculate this amount first. This is considered as step 1. Then after that, you will deduct 61,800,000. You deduct with 6,900,000. Then you will get 54,900,000. Meaning you are working backward. You will calculate step NCI. Then the balance will be the amount that you will get to be shown as profit after tax attributable to shareholder of H. So this example 1 is the easiest example that you can try to understand.